How to earn money with Midjourney. Have you ever come across mesmerizing AI-generated images, but struggled to figure out how to leverage them in your practical work and monetize them? What if I told you that you could earn up to $2,000 per week as a side hustle using AI tools? In this video, I'll share 6 of the best passive income ideas that incorporate AI. I'll show you how to get started with these businesses using free AI tools and provide real-life examples of people earning tens of thousands of dollars per month, and the prompts you need for generating those best-selling images. Plus, I'll reveal a surprising first business idea that you may not have considered. The first one is selling patterns. Selling seamless patterns on Etsy is a popular and lucrative option. The best part is that you can sell digital files, eliminating the need for printing and shipping. One pattern pack can generate hundreds of sales per month, providing a steady stream of income. With Midjourney, creating hundreds of patterns takes only minutes, giving you more time to focus on selling online. Start your seamless pattern business today and watch your profits grow. Pixio is a fantastic example of a successful online store that sells floral patterns. With their impressive collection of 20 unique patterns, they've managed to generate an incredible revenue of $104.38 thousand. By exploring their store, you can see how they've creatively used these patterns to build a successful business. It's simple to create patterns like these. Just copy the keywords from successful pattern sellers and combine with the prompts in our blog and paste them into Midjourney. Then, see the magic happen. Make sure to add tile at the end of the prompts to get the seamless pattern. These patterns are beautiful. Click on the Upscale button to increase the size of each pattern. Personally, I like to copy them into Photoshop and enhance their resolution. Have you heard of Digital Curio? They're a really popular store for digital patterns and have made over $3 million in revenue. In our blog, I have listed some additional prompt ideas for creating seamless patterns. Feel free to use them as inspiration. Number 2, selling stickers. So, have you heard about the latest trend of selling stickers online? It's amazing how much money you can make just by creating and selling stickers. Take this particular seller on Etsy, for example. They have sold over 47,000 stickers and earned over $209,000 in just the past 2 years, which is an average of $2,000 per month. Most stickers on Etsy are printout products, which means you need to print and ship them to the buyer. But there are other websites that allow you to sell stickers without the need for printing and shipping. Let's see how to create stickers on Midjourney first. You can simply copy the prompt's sample from our website and change the object in your prompt, then paste into Midjourney. You can also add 2- and Niji5 at the end of the prompt to get very cute stickers. If you're looking to sell stickers online but don't want to worry about the hassle of printing and shipping, consider using other websites we've mentioned. For instance, Society6 is a great option that I can suggest. It's an online marketplace that features an array of one-of-a-kind art prints, home decor, and other lifestyle products. Number 3, selling poster. Numerous e-commerce platforms provide art prints, t-shirts, and other items, with Redbubble, Society6, Printful, and Teespring being well-known marketplaces. For this video, I will once again utilize Society6 as an illustration. The process is straightforward. Brainstorm an idea, input it into Midjourney to create an AI-generated artwork, save the file as a JPG or PNG, and finally, upload it to the vendor's page. Number 4, selling wedding invitations. I discovered that there are several vendors selling wedding invitations and stationery on Etsy. One seller, who has made over $1.5 million selling wedding invitations alone, has generated close to 155,000 sales. It's amazing to note how simple it is to create these invitations with the assistance of AI. During my Midjourney, I requested AI to design floral wedding invitations, and the outcomes were incredible. Using the upscale feature in Midjourney, I can enhance the resolution of any of the images. Now, these invitations can be brought into online image editing tools like Photoshop or Canva. Number 5, selling t-shirt. The process for selling posters demonstrated in the video can be applied to selling t-shirts on various online marketplaces. Additionally, we have a list of common prompts for t-shirt design on Midjourney, which I will briefly skip over. Number 6, selling virtual backgrounds. It's surprising that virtual backgrounds for Zoom meetings are in high demand, but the numbers don't lie. A store, for instance, has sold over 2,000 virtual background files. With the increasing popularity of remote work, selling virtual backgrounds could be a lucrative source of income. By simply copying and pasting the prompts on our blog and selecting the environment of your choice, you can obtain a plethora of virtual backgrounds from Midjourney. This is my first experience using AI voiceover. What are your thoughts? Please share your feedback in the comments section. Thank you for tuning in.